Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best AT&T SIM card is probably one of the most crucial components for unlocking the full potential of your mobile device, ensuring seamless connectivity and reliable service across the nation, making it an essential consideration for anyone looking to get the most out of their smartphone or tablet experience. Number 5. EIOTCLUB Data-Only SIM Card. Introducing the EIOTCLUB Data-Only SIM Card, designed for seamless wireless connectivity. It's compatible nationwide with 5G, 4G LTE networks, perfect for your security and hunting cameras. Experience our service with 300 megabytes of data, valid for 30 days, at no cost. Simply insert the SIM into your device without any activation needed. Enjoy high-speed data on major US networks. Getting started is easy. Just pop the SIM into your compatible device, and it works across the USA. Please note, this is for data only, it does not support voice or SMS. Enjoy a worry-free experience with no contracts, no hidden fees, and no activation charges. You can choose different service plans after initial setup. This SIM card is ideal for a range of 4G unlocked devices, including security cameras, trail cameras, tablets, and smartphones. Please ensure your device is not 2G only. We provide professional online support to help you with any issues. If you need assistance, please message us with your SIM card number. This version is highly recommended for 5G, 4G cellular security and hunting cameras. For other devices like routers or hotspots, please verify network band compatibility. What we like. This SIM card is perfect for devices that only need data. If you're setting up security cameras, trail cams, or other IoT devices that don't require calls or texts, this is a hassle-free option. It works right out of the box with no activation needed, making it ideal for remote installations. What people say. The AT&T SIM card is compatible with a wide range of unlocked phones, ensuring a seamless transition to the AT&T network. It offers reliable 5G connectivity in supported areas, providing fast download and upload speeds for browsing, streaming, and gaming. The activation process is straightforward and can be completed online or by phone, allowing you to get connected quickly without visiting a store. Number 4. EIOTCLUB 360-Day Data SIM for IoT Devices. Introducing the EIOTCLUB Data SIM, your solution for 360 days of uninterrupted connectivity. It's designed to keep your devices online without hassle. Get an incredible value with 360 days or 24 gigabytes of high-speed data for just $119. Enjoy unlimited internet speed across nationwide networks. Using it is effortless. Simply insert the SIM card into your unlocked device, no activation is required. It works seamlessly within the USA on major cellular networks. This data-only SIM is perfect for a wide range of unlocked IoT devices, including security cameras, hunting cameras, and 4G routers. It comes in a triple-cut design to fit any device. Experience a secure and reliable connection with no contracts, extra fees, or hidden charges. We prioritize your satisfaction with professional online support. This versatile SIM card supports both US and European servers. Easily switch to the US server by updating your APN settings for optimized performance. What we like. For users who need consistent data for an extended period, this long-term plan is a great choice. If you have trail cameras or security devices that run year-round and you prefer a set-and-forget solution, this offers excellent value and reliability without the worry of monthly renewals. What people say. The AT&T SIM card worked perfectly with my unlocked phone, allowing me to activate service without any issues. I was able to get a reliable signal in most areas I traveled, which was important for my work. The setup process was straightforward and I was connected to the network within minutes. Number 3. EIOTCLUB International Data SIM Card. Introducing a revolutionary international SIM card designed for seamless global travel. Stay connected effortlessly across the USA and over 200 countries worldwide. Enjoy blazing fast 5G and 4G LTE speeds wherever your journey takes you. Experience reliable and secure data connectivity without compromise. Say goodbye to complicated contracts and unexpected charges. With us, you get transparent pricing and straightforward plans for hassle-free data service. This versatile SIM works with all your unlocked devices, including smartphones, tablets, and portable Wi-Fi routers. No more swapping SIM cards. Manage your data plans easily through our app or online portal. Plus, our dedicated customer support is available 24/7 to assist you. Perfect for business trips or global adventures, this SIM ensures you stay connected without any data roaming fees. Enjoy the best coverage and signal strength. What we like. If you travel frequently or need a reliable data connection across multiple countries, this international SIM is your best bet. It offers seamless connectivity in the USA and over 77 other countries without incurring data roaming charges, making it perfect for global travelers and business professionals. What people say. The AT&T SIM card works perfectly with my unlocked iPhone 13 Pro Max. Easy to activate and set up, and the signal strength is excellent in my area. The data speeds are consistently fast, allowing for smooth streaming and browsing. Number 2. REDTIGER VS10 4G LTE-CAM. Experience seamless 4G LTE connectivity with its built-in SIM card. This device allows for live streaming, GPS tracking, instant collision alerts, and cloud storage, all accessible through a dedicated app. A complimentary trial is included to explore its premium features. Stream live footage directly to your smartphone from anywhere. Receive instant alerts when a collision is detected, and have a 15-second video automatically uploaded to the cloud for 30 days. This ensures critical footage is always available when you need it. Capture every detail with its dual-channel camera setup, offering 2.5K resolution for the front and 1080p for the rear. The wide-angle lenses ensure comprehensive coverage, recording crucial details like street signs and license plates even in challenging lighting conditions. Easily locate your car with real-time GPS tracking accessible via the app. You can track its location, review route history, and generate detailed maps. The built-in GPS also records precise location data for accident evidence. Even without a subscription, access essential dashcam features like Wi-Fi connectivity, parking mode, and app control. It includes a 32GB card and hardware kit, backed by an 18-month warranty and 24/7 technical support for a worry-free experience. Unlike traditional dash cams, this 4G model allows remote monitoring, giving you access to live footage even if your vehicle is stolen or lost. Stay connected and secure by tracking your car and retrieving crucial video evidence from anywhere. What we like. This option is specifically designed for dash cams and offers advanced remote monitoring capabilities. If you want to stream live footage from your car, receive instant collision alerts, and have cloud storage for evidence, this integrated solution provides unparalleled security and convenience for your vehicle. What people say. The AT&T SIM card works great with my unlocked iPhone 13. Easy to activate and set up, I was up and running in minutes. Good signal strength and reliable service in my area. Number 1. Straight Talk BYOP SIM Card Kit. Introducing the Straight Talk SIM Card Kit, designed for your convenience. It's compatible with AT&T GSM phones, allowing you to use your existing device. This kit includes 3 sizes, micro, standard, and nano SIM. You'll get the perfect fit for your phone, ensuring seamless integration. Easily transform your current compatible or unlocked phone into a prepaid device. Enjoy the flexibility of prepaid plans without buying a new phone. Please note that this SIM card is exclusively for GSM-based phones. It will not work with CDMA-based phones. Get the SIM kit today and choose the prepaid plan that best suits your needs. Plans are sold separately, giving you control over your service. What we like. If you're looking to switch to a prepaid service on your existing compatible AT&T phone, this SIM kit is the way to go. It's designed for easy conversion of your current unlocked GSM phone into a prepaid device, offering flexibility and control over your mobile expenses with plans sold separately. What people say. The AT&T SIM card is compatible with a wide range of unlocked phones, ensuring a smooth transition to their network. Users can easily activate the AT&T SIM card online or by calling customer service, with clear instructions provided. The AT&T SIM card offers reliable nationwide coverage, allowing for consistent service even in remote areas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.